as we work on feeling better, looking good, it also feeds into our self-confidence, how we see ourselves, and generally a better outlook in life.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kaycee Reyes. You can call me Doc Kaycee. I'm a skin doctor, preventive medicine practitioner, and the founder of Luminisce. As a dermatologist, I have studied over 3,000 different skin, hair, nail, and mucous membrane diseases. Aside from just treating diseases, we dermatologists also have a deep understanding of facial and body anatomy that allows us to do cosmetic and aesthetic procedures safely. Medical aesthetics is a very study-intensive specialty. Continuous training is a must in aesthetic medicine, where innovations never stop. One of the new innovations in aesthetic is nose threading, specifically the new techniques that make results even more impressive and the entire process safer. Know that the nose is a very delicate area of the face. There are a lot of nerves and capillaries underneath the skin surface that you don't see. So we make sure that you go to someone you trust and has the experience, training, and knowledge to handle these delicate procedures. In today's episode, our good friend and longtime skin investor, Coach Sheila, will be having her nose enhancement using my very own Kaycee bespoke technique. Before we see how her procedure goes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to see more of our content.
Hi, I'm Sheila Tan. I'm a meta coach, an organizational development consultant, and I've been a Luminisce loyalist since 2019. I have so many favorite treatments at Luminisce, and among the top two are Luxury Facial and Dermablade Laser. I love Luxury Facial because whenever I travel abroad, I get very dry skin, and I come back to Luminisce to feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and to rehydrate my skin. I've done many treatments at Luminisce, and for the most side, I would err on the more conservative and non-invasive treatments. I've done a bit of Botox and I really love the effects. So this time, I think I'm ready for a little bit more advanced treatments. Every now and then, when I'd look at the mirror, I'd wish, oh, sana I had a more matangos na nose. And then if I'd see myself on like interviews or on photos, it's one of the things that I wish I could have and I thought was impossible until Luminisce. I'm really excited to see what the effect could be. While I'm generally an advocate of self-love, loving ourselves as we are, I sometimes wish that I could enhance my looks even better. When I look in the mirror and I look good, I feel better about myself, and I think that makes me better at what I do as well. People usually come to me because they have problems. So personal lives, marriages, work, even business. And it's natural for me to always hear burdens and problems and challenges. So it's important for me to be able to maintain that positive outlook that things can be better, life can be better, and that there's so much possibilities out there for everyone. And that's why I really love Luminisce and Doc Kaycee, because we both agree on the holistic intervention in one's lives.
A few years ago, nose fillers became all the rage. In a society where we wish to have more prominent noses, people did not hesitate to try this non-surgical procedure that got them the prominent nose of their dreams during their lunch break. However, new advances in aesthetic technology have arrived. One of it is the nose thread lifting. Why should we consider choosing a nose thread lift versus nose fillers? Nose fillers always come with a big risk. There's a potential to cause blindness or skin necrosis with a slight misstep by the injector. While nose thread lift must be done correctly as well, and the credibility and medical background of the injector is important, the risk is a lot lower by significant margin. Nose fillers also have a potential to migrate, while threads do not. In fact, it can mimic a nasal implant when stacked together, giving results as close to the surgical procedure than ever before. Nose threads also have the ability to stimulate the tissue of the nose to produce more collagen, so the skin quality also improves around that area. Nose threads uses dissolvable fine threads, but in most cases, nose thread lift using high-quality threads such as PLLA can last up to 2 years. For Coach Sheila, our goal is to enhance the bridge for more projection. Similar to nose fillers, the first step in a nose thread lift treatment is facial mapping to understand where the nose needs enhancement. This requires a good deal of communication between you and between your doctor, so make sure you're on the same page for this treatment and goals. During this procedure, a thread will be carefully inserted in the suprapericordial or supraperiosteal plane using my bespoke technique for that natural look. In terms of what thread we'll be using, we believe in having multiple options here at Luminisce and using the option that would provide our patient with the best results. For Coach Sheila, it's best to use polycaprolactone threads, a proprietary absorbable barbed thread that will actively lift, hold, and support the nose in her desired shape and height. This thread is very safe and the body will absorb and release it over time. The patient will enjoy the results for up to 1.5 to 2 years depending on the lifestyle and activity of the patient's nose cartilage. What I love about nose procedures, whether it's nose fillers or nose thread lift, is that it has a profound effect on facial symmetry. When the nose is balanced, the cheeks and the area right below the under the eyes will also enjoy rejuvenation from the lift. If you have been thinking of getting your nose enhanced, set an appointment with us or with your doctor to discuss the nose thread lift. With its non-surgical nature, fast procedure, minimal downtime, and immediate visible result, you'll surely love your newly enhanced nose. I hope you guys learned a little something from this episode of Skin Vesting. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more from me and from Luminisce.